Good morning, everyone. Dave's Diaries in France. Bright and early today. I think I'm going to do some cooking and then I'm going to do some sanding. But what ingredients have I got today? Let me show you. This is the ingredients I've got to work with today. We have some spicy chorizo and some extra spicy chorizo, some ricotta, some mozzarella, some chopped tomatoes, some passata, oregano, sage, roasted peppers, garlic, onion, paprika, pasta. So let's try and make something. I'm not going to film it, but I'll show you the results afterwards.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, after successful cooking preparation for tonight, I have produced a lovely chorizo, mozzarella, pasta bake as follows. It's for tonight's evening meal. And now it's off to our Renovation Project near Laval. Catch you later.